When you're looking to compare suppliers and find the best products for your dropshipping business with Spocket, the first step is to select all the products you are interested in analyzing. You will notice that the same type of product can be offered by multiple suppliers. For example, you may find several toys or discover a new fashion product for women. By comparing these options, you can identify which supplier offers the product from the United States or from another location. It is important to check the profit margins, the fees you need to pay, and the selling price for each supplier. This comparison allows you to determine the best supplier who provides the highest quality product at the most profitable conditions. All top suppliers are displayed clearly within the platform, making it easier to choose the most reliable options. By following these steps, you can effectively select the best products and suppliers, ensuring your dropshipping business runs smoothly and profitably using Spocket. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.